Meaning of enamel.
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 Enamel. Enamel is a hard, protective layer that covers the surface of teeth and other structures in animals. It is the hardest substance in the human body and helps to protect teeth from damage caused by chewing, biting and temperature changes. Enamel is made up of minerals like calcium and phosphate, and as such is not alive. Once it is damaged, it cannot regenerate itself, leading to issues like tooth decay and sensitivity. Proper oral hygiene is essential for maintaining healthy enamel and preventing dental problems.